Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Welcome in today's home space in often at a premium, but that does not mean to have to sacrifice styles or comfort. Join us as we explore some stunning and modern wooden furniture ideas that are not only beautiful but also incredibly clever at saving space. First up, let's talk about the heart of many homes, the living room. Imagine um, coffee tables that is not just a coffee table. We are seeing amazing design now that transform pictures as a sleek wooden coffee tables that with a simple lift becomes a table that with a simple lift because our dining tables for four or even a desk for your laptops. When you are done, it folds neatly back down, keeping your living rooms open and airy. And what about sitting sofas? Beds have come a long way. Forget those lumpy, comfortable ones of the past. Modern wooden sofas beds are designed with the clean lines and comfortable cushions during the day. They looks like a stylish sofa perfect for entertaining it at night. They easily convert into a cozy beds for guests without taking up extra space in a dedicating guest room. Moving into the bed space saving is key. Think about your bed. How about a wooden platform bed with built-in storage drawers underneath? Is a fantastic way to store extra lines, clothes, or anything you want to keep tidy and out of sight without needing a separate chest of drawers. And for smaller rooms, considers a wall-mounted wooden desk that fold up when not in use. It's perfect for a quick charm check of emails or for the kid to do their homework. Then simply fold away to free up floor space. Some even have small shelves for books or decorative items when closed. Now let's look at some multifunctional pieces that can work in almost any room. Think about a simple wooden shelving but but not just any unit. Imagine one with section that can slide out to reveal hidden compartment or even a pull out desk surface. Its strong display and workspace all in one neat package. Another brilliant idea is knitting nesting tables. These are sets of wooden tables of different sizes that fit perfectly underneath each other's. When you need extra surfaces paid for drinks or snakes, you pull them out. When you are done, they stack back together, stocking up the space of just one table. Simple, elegant, and super practical. Don't forget the power of vertical space. Tall, slim wooden bookshelves or display units can offer a lot of storage without eating up too much floor areas. Look for design that go all the way up to the ceiling for maximum impact and storage. What makes these designs when truly stunning is the useful of nature wood, the warm. Thank you for joining us on this tour and smart, beautiful wooden